Hello, today I have this chiller, and it has been sitting for a long time and not being used, and I already put the service valve. Before it was totally closed, and I run the system for some times. It has a little refrigerant, and I think there is a leak. So the first thing, I don't have any nitrogen, so I'm going to pull a vacuum and see if it's going to hold the vacuum or not. If it holds the vacuum, then I will replace the filter and charge it 1348 and see if it works or not. So as I said, I don't have nitrogen, so I use the vacuum pump, and I pulled the vacuum and it's leaking. So as I said, it has been sitting for many years, and everything is rusted. So I have to find the leak. Maybe I will use compressed air, or maybe I'm going to use, I think it's a lot much better to use R22. I will use R22, and I hope to find this leak. So I will continue later on. So we know that there is a leak. Now I'm going to use this R134A. This compressor is 134A, but this is I think it's not good quality. Got to be careful when buy online, because it mentioned here substitute. So I will just use it to test if there is a leak. So now I will prepare my gauge. So I'm going to put this soapy water on all these exposed pipes and see. Unbelievable, you see where so let's stop here. So it leaks from here. This is from where I braise this joint. Exactly. So let me just So I'm going to rebrace this joint. I was using this, I don't know what is it exactly. It's not really good, but this is what we have here. I'm not, a professional HVAC technician, so I don't work on this every day. So this bottle is enough for me for now. And let's start. But I forget something. I didn't remove the valve, so I have to remove the valve first. And now let's start this garbage again. Give me a hard time when it doesn't. But this time, I think it was because this bottle was laid this way. I supposed to put it like this, and that's why the gas flooded here. And yes, it stopped. The problem is, if you put it this way standing and you work, it will fall down. So you have to put it inside something. So I'm going to find something. I found this steel tube. I put this thing inside it like this. Hopefully it will not fill down. And let's start again. So I'm not going to charge it with the gas again. I'm going to put a vacuum and see if it holds vacuum after brazing this joint. So now the service port is not very hot, so I'm going to hook my gauge. I leave it 1 minute to warm up, and I open this lid or whatever, and my gauge is still closed, so now I'm going to open it. I think there is still a leak because notice the needle is going up steadily, and I'm going to resolder the same spot again and see if that will help. I decided to continue because I noticed that the needle doesn't jump up immediately, so maybe now it's almost at low vacuum. So I'm going to close the gate and see if this needle jump to zero fast. I'll give it some time and then come back. I charged some gas. I don't see any leak, but now I will start the compressor because there will be a pressure and maybe we can detect that leak if it's in this area. The problem, my extension is very short and the rat eat the wire. It was long wire, but I made this extension. This fan is rattling, but I think it's still okay for now. And I'll add more gas. Oh, there is a bad short, guys. Yeah, there is a short. Something is shorted around there. So I have to open this wires and I'll see what is shorted inside. And I think this filter is blocked because the pressure stays below zero. But I'm going to confirm that after I correct this problem here, because I got shocked. It shocked me just now. Let me see if I can open this and see if there is any wire touching the metal or whatever. So this compressor is cooling down normally, but as you see, the needle is in the vacuum side. I think this is restriction filter or capillary tube. So I'll try to find out next. So as I said, there is a current leak. I checked these wires. I hope nothing inside this insulation. I also opened this cover and checked everything here. I didn't find anything, and maybe I'm going to open this insulation and see before I go and check inside the chiller. So I disconnect the fan and now let's see, is the short still there? And yes, current leak. I don't know if you can see it, so I will continue troubleshooting, trying to find where the short. So I cut this wire and this wire, and let's see if they are going inside the chiller. So let's see if that solve our problem. And I'm going to start. And it's still there, unbelievable. So what I did now, I replaced this wire with another one, and let's see. So I suspect the thermostat, manual thermostat switch. Let's go inside and see if there is anything obvious. So this is the suspected switch. I will unscrew these two and see what we find inside.
let's disconnect this thing and see if the short goes.
So this is how I tape it. Now put everything back. So the system is running now, and I burned this tray, so I have to find something to put it there under that coil there, and let's look at the temperature. As I said, this is a manual thermostat, but I dropped the sensor of my multimeter inside the cabin, and as you see, it's dropping fast. Now 16. Now temperature is 10, and let's look at the evap. So the evap is defrosting, and I will show you again. Let's leave it for another 10 minutes and come back. Now the temperature rose up because we opened the door. Off for now. We will go back again. 8 Celsius. Let's look at the Eva. And defrost on the Eva is almost even. It looks good. And now I'm going to put this panel back, and we call it a job done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon on another one.